we are having numerous options like lists, dictionaries, sets, tuples,
Excuse me.
all
Excuse
these
me, sir.
data structures.
Sir, please,
Yeah,
please repeat that. We are live now.
yeah, again I repeat, no doubt. So we have seen how to create program from the scratch in Python. We have done simple user input operations as well as the sum of those input numbers. That is, first number I entered here 23 and then I added 65, which will make a sum of two numbers. Now we are going to step into the next topic here, which is called data structures. Python offers various type of data structures as per the requirement of user, like list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and these data structures offers a number of built-in methods from which you can avail different application concepts. In this particular sample, I am going to create a list data structure and show you how you can access lists with indexing, slicing, and its related operations. To create a list, we have to assume a name called L1, or for the sake of simplicity, we give it list 1. Now, to create those lists, we need square brackets and we can mention the data here, that is a set of values in the list. Once the list is declared, we can say the list object has been created. To print those elements, you can use list variable that is already given, that is list 1. You can also access the specific element by providing its position. Here position is referred as index and you can assign the index from 0. So if I access list of 1 using 0, I am going to get the output here, that is 10. Here hash symbol is considered as a comment symbol in Python. Next, print command. If I would like to access position number 3, then I can get the value here, that is 0 is 10, 1, 2 and 3. So here I get the value as 40. There are also the times when we would like to get multiple data from our list. So this extraction of multiple data is referred as slicing. To slice list object, we can use print command, list 1, and then you have to mention the start index. Let us assume my start index is 0 and the upper limit is 2, that is the upper bound. So always here the upper bound will be considered as -1. So if I use 0:2, it will give me a result as 10, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 20. One more sample. Similarly, list 1. Here 0:3. And in this respective statement, I can get slicing of 10, 20 and also 30. So this is the way you can perform slicing. One more thing, Python gives you slicing in two directions or indexing in two directions. One is called forward indexing, which we are right now doing from 0, 3 or 0:2, means you can access your list in a forward direction. You can also refer your list in backward direction, which is called backward indexing. If I mention here list, then -1, So here -1 will return the value as 40. So the backward indexing always starts from -1, -2, -3 and so on. One amazing trick in Python that you can use to reverse your data structure is ::1. So if I introduce this type of slicing, it will return a list of values in a reverse manner. See, this will be the output. So let's perform this coding. Save it. I save the file again with Python 2 examples, and after this run module. So here you can say that Python gives you the relevant output. You people can also compare it with the coding formations. At the first stage we define the list, then we try to print it. As soon as we try to print it, it will give us the entire list of values, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. After this we extracted the 0th element, that is 10. After that it is third position, that is 40, as I told you. Then there is a concept relevant to the slicing. You can also cross check it with the outputs on available with the screen. 0:2 10 20, 0:3 10 20 30, -1, that is the last element, as I told you, that is 40, and then the reverse of the list, that is ::1, that will reverses entire object of list and gives you the output as 40, 30, 20 and 1. You can also perform some sort of manipulation with these data structures. Say, we can also add a new element in the list, like list1 dot append, and this append requires a value to be added to be appended. Once you added it, we can get updated data list1 after append. Let's see whether this append operation is successful or not. Save this information, again run this module, and after the execution you people can check the output has been changed here. List1 after append, it results into 10, 20, 30, 40 and 100. You can also perform multiple addition to your list, and for this you can write extend. Extend method gives you a facility to add more than one data at a time in your list object. Once you extend them, you can cross check it with list1 after extend, and this time again we add print command. Now run this code, and here you can see on the output screen that after the append operation we have attempted the extend version, which adds two more data element, that is 200 and 300. You people can also remove the data from the data structure using a method called clear. This clear method will remove all elements from the list object. Okay, so be careful when you are dealing with clear. And to remove the specific element from your list, you can write list del command list1, and then you can mention the position of a particular element to be removed from the list. Have a look. We are going to again perform the task. I misspelled the object name, just correcting it. So here you can see, just concentrate on the last three outputs. After the extended version, list1 after delete, you can see here value 10 is removed from the list, and after the clear method, it is returned as the empty brackets, which designates that there is no element in the list right now available, but the list is available, that is called empty list. Okay, so this is how we can perform various exercises depending upon normal data structures as well as the complex one. I hope you can understand it in a very easy manner, and you need to make some hands-on exercise relevant to these concepts. From the listing, you can understand that it is very easy, and even a new bird can also learn these things in a very flexible manner, as the coding mechanism which is followed by Python is very easy, as well as it is also flexible for the developer. I would like to introduce one more hidden gem which is available with Python, and it has a very popular concept right now in the industry for making various types of data driven reports, and that hidden gem is called Microsoft's Power BI. Let me share your content once again. Sir, is this available right now? So this Power BI is basically a Microsoft platform for BI tools. It is also known as BI. It's a reporting and data visualization product and services for individuals and team. Power BI stands out with the streamlined publication and distribution capabilities, as well as integration with other Microsoft products and services. You can create sophisticated set of products, reports, and summaries using the concept of Power BI. It has a relevant concept relevant to the database and SQL. So anybody who has a primary knowledge of SQL as well as database can also opt to learn this Power BI concept. Power BI service is a secure Microsoft hosted cloud service that lets users to view dashboards, reports, and Power BI apps. That's a type of content that combines related dashboards and reports using web browser or by using mobile apps for Windows, iOS and Android. There are numerous features which are available in Power BI which facilitates user to create sophisticated set of reportings for the industry to understand the complexities involved in the data structures. This is also the most popular platform available in the industry to make reports, to make charts and to analyze the data in a visual manner. There are 7 reasons which makes Power BI the popular one in the industry. First of all, it is a quick start concept. You can start quickly to get the insights of your data analytics. It performs streamlined publication and distribution of your data, gives real-time information, and it has ability to customize Power BI app navigations. You can also perform customized security features with Power BI, and Power BI comes with internal support of Cortana integration, which is basically Microsoft's digital AI-based assistants for the performance of charts and graphs. Okay, it is also especially helpful for users with mobile devices as they can use this Cortana integration for AI applications. Python also supports, Power BI also supports AI-based concepts like image recognition, text analytics, create machine learning models, and integrate with Azure machine learning algorithm. So these features makes Power BI a gem for IT industry to analyze the data in a specific manner. I hope you understand all these relevant concepts in a very easy, and I try to explain it with layman language so everybody can understand the popularity and the features which are relevant with the Python and its relevant tools as well as technologies. I would like to inform you that our company also provides a professional job-oriented training in the field of Python and its relevant concepts like data science, machine learning, as well as the data science. You can choose our industry experts to get skill-based learning from it, and you can make your career in the field of Python. I hope you learn all these things with a specific concept which I gave you. You are welcome with any queries if you have. We like to solve them in a simple and easier manner.
Yeah,
Any queries or questions from
yes,
your side, ma'am?
yes, sir. I have got 2 questions from student side.
Yeah,
How Python will be used on Instagram? As you taught us in a
yeah,
PPT that
yeah,
Python will be used in a
yeah,
Instagram also. So one
yeah.
of the student have doubt how
That is
Python
the
will be
one
used
interesting
on a
question I'm
Instagram.
expecting. I was expecting that question from your side also. Yeah, tell me. Another one? See, in Instagram, we all know that there are the features called Reels. Okay, everybody watch Reels with the interesting topics. And if you search a particular reel or if you watch a particular reel, Instagram will suggest you all the relevant reels in the application. Have you checked it? If you check a particular reel based on dance or particular any comic reel, you will immediately get all the relevant reels with that particular topic. So this is how Python is useful to make suggestions for the reels. Other question, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. The another question is Python is useful for desktop based application also, or it is only useful for web development only?
Okay. See, Python is a general purpose programming, so it has application with diversified platforms. Whether you are using it as a desktop based concept or you are dealing with the web application, or also you can use Python in a Android based applications to make AI based features. So there is no limitation or boundary which is involved with Python. That's why it is called general purpose programming language. So you can use it anywhere else. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now I think all of you have clear the concept of importance of Python. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. And
Thank you very much,
also,
ma'am.
yes, yes. And also, I will thank to our principal, Professor Jatin Vaidya, sir, and our HOD madam, Professor Poonam Faldu ma'am, to provide endless support and motivation to take such kind of initiative. And last but not the least, thanks to all the participants and thank you for watching. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much for watching.